How Google earns from maps. Google Maps is one of the most popular services provided by Google, although it is free for users. Let's know that how Google makes money from it. Advertising. Google is all about advertising. In fact, more than 80% of Alphabet's revenue comes from Google Ads. So Google Maps also earn by advertising. Number 1. Local search ads. When we search for restaurants, hotels, shops or any other business, a list of this business will show up. This business pay an amount to show their business in top searches. Number 2. Promoted pins. There are some custom branded pins that represent a business logo. Google charges a certain amount from this business for this service. Google Maps API. Companies like Uber, Zomato, etc. use custom Google Maps in their application. Google charges an amount from these companies. Google Maps API helps these companies in route planning and deliver the products or to show their current location to the user. Partnership. Google has partnered with some cab hailing companies like Ola, Uber, etc. Google charges some amount from companies for this service. Users can directly discover the services on Google Maps. When the user wants to explore more or want to book a ride, then Google Maps redirect the user to the company app. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.